Hello guys, welcome back. So today we'll be seeing one of the very important topics again, that is flowering in short day plants. Okay, so this is basically a photoperiodism topic. So in photoperiodism we'll specifically see the flowering in the short day plants. Okay, so now before going to flowering in short day plants, let us first understand, um, this is in photoperiodism. Okay, this is in the topic called photoperiodism. Okay, flowering in short day plants. So before going into flowering in short day plants, let us first understand there's a term called critical day length. Okay, critical photo period is a better word to use. Okay, critical photo period. Okay, now what is the meaning of this word critical photo period? Critical photo period means it is the duration of light, okay, that is required for the plant. It is a minimum duration of a photo period, or it is the minimum duration of the light that must be given to the plant. Okay, now if this minimum duration of light is not given, okay, beyond this minimum duration of light, or less than this minimum duration of light, if it is given, then the plant is not going to show flowering. The plant does not flower. That is called as what? It is called as the critical day length, or critical photo period. Okay, so this critical photo period varies from plant to plant. It is not going to be same in all the plants. For example, now let us talk about this short day plants. Okay, in the case of short day plants, what happens is, in the case of short day plants, the dark periods must be long. Okay, in the case of short day plants, SDP stands for short day plants. In short day plants, the nights must be longer. Okay, or it must have long dark periods. Okay, it must have long dark periods. If it is having long dark periods, or the short day plants are having long dark periods, then they flower. Okay, so if the short day plants are, they must have long dark periods. Okay, now one important thing is, if the, let us take for example, the plant is having a critical day length of, let us take for example, 12 hours. Okay, but these short day plants will require for at least 16 hours of dark period for flowering. Means they should get long dark periods, and they should get less amount of daylight. Okay, they should be getting less amount of daylight. So short day plants flower when the night exceeds a critical dark period. Okay, a critical they flower when night exceeds a critical dark period. I'll write that statement here. Dark Short day plants flower when night exceeds, okay, night is going to exceed the critical what period? Critical dark period. Okay, it must exceed the critical dark period for flowering. Okay, now only then they're going to flower. Now let us see, for short day plants, what is important. For short day plants, the most important thing is long duration of continuous uninterrupted. This is a very important word again. Okay, they require uninterrupted, okay, periods of darkness. They require uninterrupted periods of darkness. If this darkness is interrupted by light, okay, if a flash of light is given during this dark period, if a flash of light is given during this dark period, then this dark short day plants don't flower. Okay, so let us see with the example now. Okay, so we will see, we will take one condition here. Okay, let us take a 24-hour day. Okay, let us assume that this is the entire 24 hours. Okay, let us assume that this is the entire 24 hours, and one more we will make. And one more. Okay, so 24 hours. Now let us take this is the let us take this is the critical let us take this is the critical day length that is there. Okay, so now if the and this is the night. Okay, what I'm shading with black here, this is the night, this is the night. Okay, this is the night. Now this is the night when moon comes. Okay, so if you see this, okay, now here I told you for short day plants the duration of darkness must be more than the critical day length. Okay, now you see this is the critical photo period, so duration of darkness must be more than the critical photo period. Now you see here in the first case, in case 1, okay, the night is very less, the dark period is very less. So because the dark period is very less, in the case of short day plants don't flower here. Okay, short day plants don't flower. Now why short day plants don't flower here? Okay, reason is because the dark period is very less here. It is not greater than what period? It is not greater than the critical day length. Okay, now next case you see here, next case you see. Okay, see the next case here. In the next case, see whatever I'm just marking here, this is full dark period. Okay, darkness. Now you see here the dark period is greater than the critical day length, correct? So dark period is greater than the critical day length. Now the dark period is greater than the critical day length, then the plants will flower. So a short day plant is going to flower here. Okay, a short day plant is going to flower here. Okay, now let us see one more example here. Let us see one more example here. One more example, let us see. Okay, so what I'm shading here is again the night. Okay, again the night period is what I'm shading here. I mean night in the sense the dark period. Okay, and this dark period is interrupted by a flash of light. Okay, this dark period is interrupted by a flash of light. Now will this flower or will it not flower? It will not flower. Okay, flowering is absent. Flowering is absent. Now why flowering is absent here? Flowering is absent because though it is having a continuous dark period, okay, though it is having a continuous dark period, what happened here is the dark period was interrupted by a flash of light. But for short day plants to flower, remember one important thing, there should be no interruption. They must have a continuous uninterrupted duration of darkness. Only then they'll be able to flower. If there is an interruption, then flowering will not occur in the case of which kind of plants? Short day plants. Okay, I hope this is clear, and we will see the role of phytochrome in the flowering and long day plants in the upcoming videos. Thank you.